Hello everyone, this is Sharmin Khan from Milky Way Art Design. So today I have a canvas which is 8" by 8" canvas. I am going to do a split pour with navy blue and white, and the colors that I'm going to use, I am going to write them down on the description sections if you are interested to know. So I'm going to start right now. Next color that I'm using, which is Candy Apple from Arts Mind. Master Starch have a similar color. I don't know exactly what the name is, but they are very similar. $24K gold. Australian Fruit Roll Cell Activator. At this stage, I always feel intimidated to start somewhere. So what I do is I always break up my the pieces into smaller chunks so I can handle one little chunk at a time. That way, for me, mentally, I feel like, okay, I can handle this much or I can handle that much. So that's the reason I do this. And after this, it also helps me to make sure I kind of get a feeling how much paint I have on my canvas, because if I have too much, I'll have a crack. So once I do this big modification or big alterations, I kind of spin it again to make sure I got rid of all the excess paint from my canvas. That way I can ensure that when I do my little my delicate designs, once I do them, I don't have to spin it again and I don't have to lose my pattern. And also if I am doing something like on this piece, I am planning to create some flowers in between the greens, so I don't have to spin them to distort my flowers as well. See, as you can see, I'm putting my hand here, left hand, and resting my right hand on top of my left hand. If you look at my composition, you'll notice that I have not done much modification towards the middle part of the two greens. The reason is I'm thinking of creating some flowers in between, so I'm not really sure how much of the greens are going to be covered. So whatever I have done, I'm going to stop now and I will make or create my flowers first. Once I'm done with my flowers, then I'll go back and I'll check if I have to do some more modification. At that time, I'll take care of the rest of the greens. Now that my flowers are done, I am going back to my greens and making sure that if I have to modify some more to enhance my composition, I am working on that right now. And as you can see that all the modification I'm doing on the greens are right next to the flowers. So it was a good idea to take care of the flower first, then go back to the greens, because now the composition is as a whole. I can see, okay, where do I need to improve some more and where I can leave it as it is. At this point, I'm going to stop, and as you can see, right after I did my flowers, I did not spin it anymore. And that way, my flowers look perfect, and I am happy that I don't have too much paint on the canvas that it might crack. So let me bring you down, and I'm so happy with the result. I think I have never created such romantic piece. It's so beautiful and so romantic. I'm just loving it. I hope you like it too, and please give it a like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.